Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Fanxiang S501Q 4TB NVMe SSD. This little drive promises a lot, especially for the price. We're talking about a Gen 3X 4 NVMe M.2 2280 form factor, which means it's compatible with a wide range of laptops and desktop PCs, as long as your motherboard has that M.2 slot. Fanxiang claims it works with Windows 7 all the way up to Windows 11, and even Mac OS 10.9 and later. The big selling point here is the speed. Fanxiang advertises speeds up to 3,600 megabytes, and they attribute this performance to intelligent SLC caching and 3D NAND flash technology. In real-world use, this translates to faster boot times, quicker program loading, and snappier file transfers. For gamers, that means less time staring at loading screens and more time playing. Now let's talk about heat. SSDs, especially NVMe drives, can get toasty, which can impact performance and longevity. Fanxiang has addressed this by including graphene heat dissipation stickers on the S501Q. Graphene is known for its excellent thermal conductivity, and it should help keep the drive cool under load. Fanxiang also rates the drive for up to 3 20TB terabytes written, which is a measure of how much data you can write to the drive over its lifespan. This is a decent endurance rating for a drive in this class, suggesting it should last for quite a while under normal usage conditions. The 4 terabytes capacity is a huge plus. It provides ample space for your operating system, applications, games, and media files. For content creators or anyone who works with large files, this is a welcome addition. Overall, the Fanxiang S501Q 4TB NVMe SSD appears to be a solid option for those looking to upgrade their storage without breaking the bank. The advertised speeds are competitive for a Gen 3 drive. The graphene heat dissipation is a nice touch, and the 4 terabyte capacity offers plenty of room for your data. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a high-capacity, budget-friendly NVMe SSD.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.